Alright, welcome back. If you were here last video, you already know what we're doing. On this one, we are going to take the shroud out, the fans in the shroud, and we're going to mount them straight to the radiator. Got off the phone with my man Tevin, who has a nitrous Honda, by the way. Follow him. I'll put his Instagram and YouTube up here. He is running dual spout fans straight to the radiator on his nitrous Honda, and he said he's having no issues. He also suggested to get a relay for power pulling issues, which we'll probably do as well, but you probably won't see that on video. We're going to use this here quick mount kit, and we're going to put in between the fans go these little rubber grommets, and then you zip tie them basically, and they go straight through the radiator. You kind of see it. They're going to go straight through here, these wires, and then hopefully she'll run. All right, so shroud is out of the car. I wish I could have ran this. It got a little bruised up getting in here. Save this for a rainy day, maybe. A waste of money. Anyway, I'm gonna take these off now and see how hard this is to get them on the car. They're now off the shroud. I'll take the shroud just off like a rough mock-up. It'll still be kind of in the same spot, but now because there's no shroud, it'll stick out a little less. So this should work. Mount them straight to the radiator. And I got these rubber grommets that'll work, but the big thing is I'm gonna put that pipe in there and see how it fits. If it fits through well, then we're cooking. If not, well, I'm gonna have to rethink a couple of things. All right, so it's not perfect, but this is probably the best way to mount these up right now. Put this one higher up, and there's enough clearance for that pipe down there, it looks like. I'm gonna adjust that a little bit, but it looks like there's enough clearance. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna put these little rubber things on the ends here to give a little clearance between the plastic and the radiator. And then we're going to mount them up, cut these ends off. I'm actually going to cut them shorter now with this little thing I used to cut my dog's nails. It works good though. See, it got dark outside. This is it got dark pretty quick actually. These are in on the radiator. I'm probably going to pick this back up tomorrow, but y'all, of course, to y'all this will be one video. But it'll probably be dark again when I pick it up tomorrow too, to be honest. But I have more light in here. Now only thing left is to put the supercharger back, put all the piping back on, and hopefully we'll be golden. There's a little bit of play here, but they're supposed to be off the radiator a little bit. Yeah, pick back up on it tomorrow. Alright, so it is the next day. You can see everything a little more clear. Just tucked everything over there. Got both fans mounted straight to the radiator. Gotta work on cleaning up these cooling lines a little bit, but everything should be situated and ready to go. The fans work, they pull really well, and I'm actually going to show you real time my temps going down using these fans. But again, they're dual, they're spout fans. I'll try to put the description of them in the link if anybody else wants to run them, because so far they're working for me. And hopefully we don't have any more knock. Hopefully this is going to be it for as far as the knock goes. If not, back to square one. And for those who are wondering, yes, I'm going to put my intake back on eventually. Probably sometime soon. I'm going to put it back on right after this video. So let's get in the car. Let's go for a drive. So first things first, I'm gonna let it get up to operating temp, and I'm gonna let it go a little over. I gotta change my thermostat too, so keep in mind I'm gonna be running a little hot. Not really that high. It's like 190 something. And then as I drive, like, you'll see these temps just go straight down. So let's see that 196. It's gonna go down as we drive. 194. I literally sat here idling with the heat on. This is wind down as we drive. Oops, one more time for the knock sensors. Oh, there's a little bit right there, 1 degree, 1 degree is not bad. What is going on, traffic? What is going on? First gear, there's usually a lot of knock up in there. We're looking good. The real test will be to do a pull and see how it goes, but right now it looks like we're knock free. Hopefully we can get back to doing some races. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, if you want to run the same setup, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Browse for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.